Hello my dear student, you are welcome to Dilalpur Abdul Karim High School's online class. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Fauzi Akhtar, assistant teacher, Dilalpur Abdul Karim High School. How are you everybody? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today, I have come here to take a class on English first paper for class 8. I hope and I will suggest you to keep your textbook and other requirements in front of you and enjoy the class attentively. Today, I am going to discuss a topic from your textbook, that means in your English for today book from English first paper. And this is from Unit 8, Lesson 1, and the name of my topic is What is News? This is a very interesting and attractive lesson to me, and I hope it will be attractive to you also. What is news? If you say that I eat rice, I get up early in the morning, I play cricket, I go to school on foot, this is very common topics to everyone. This is not called news, because these are very common events. They happen every day in our life. Is not it? But this, what do you think? Are these events news? No, these are not news. News should be informative, and first and foremost features of a news for nowadays, it should be printed or it should be broadcast on the internet. Today I am going to discuss about the common features and the most important features of news. If any events wants to be news or wants to be broadcast on the internet or newspaper, what are the common characteristics? You can note down in your exercise book. The first thing, that the news should be a piece of information. The news should be informative. Any unnecessary or uninformative events will not be considered as a news. Secondly, the information should be recent and fresh. And undoubtedly it will be interesting and attractive. That attracts the attention of the viewers or the listeners. Hence, it is thirdly, mass people or general people should take interest in it. I have already told this, that common people or mass people should have interest, should have attention, should have attraction. And fourthly, it should be self-explained. Self-explained. I hope all of you have watched television, watched news in television. The reporters and the staff correspondents explain the news very attractively in the television or internet. In YouTube, different types of YouTube channel, news channel now explain news now. That is, it should answer all the questions with who, which, what, when, how, why, finally. Finally, it should be objective. The most attractive word is objective. The news should be objective. Recently, another aspect had been added. News is either printed or, I have already told this, news is either printed or broadcast in the newspaper or on the internet. So, do you get it? First of all, news should be informative. Secondly, the information should be new and fresh. Thirdly, the mass people or common people have to interested. And fourthly, it should be self-explaining. These are the four important and essential characteristics of news. There are opinions that the term news comes from new. Others says it is news because it comes from all directions. North, east, west, south. N refers to north, E refers to east, W refers to west, and S refers to south. So, I hope you have understood this matter clearly, and if you want to understand this better, then follow your book page 85. And I hope if you follow this class attentively, you will understand this matter clearly. That's all for today. I hope you will be attached in your study, and you must follow the rules of hygiene to keep yourself from the pandemic, because we are going through a very pandemic situation now. And please follow the rules of hygiene and stay safe and stay home. Thank you very much.